I'm so excited. The sun came out. Oh, the sun is out. I don't know if y'all got to hear me sing last night. I have a really good singing voice. Not really, but okay. But the sun did come out, and I'm so happy. But that's not what I wanted to talk to you about. Oh, also wanted to point out my Oakleys from the 90s. I've had these since the 90s. How cool is that? They're legit. They're so scratched up, it's not even funny. So I can barely see out of them. But that's beside the point, because look how cool they are. They're my Oakleys from the 90s. But anyway, that's not what I wanted to talk to you about. I want to talk about, why is it that we complicate everything? Why? Why do we make it so hard? Why we got to make everything so hard? Here's an example. I can tell my sister-in-law about something that's bothering me, and she has total clarity, and she can say, oh, well, this or that, or you should do this or that. And I'm like, wow, yeah, oh my goodness, that you're so right. Or I talked to someone on the phone today about his business, and I said, why don't you think about doing this? You're so good at this. Why don't you think about doing that? And he was like, oh my gosh, yes. And I can sit there and say, look at your situation and tell you with total clarity. But sometimes with my own stuff, I make it so complicated. What about this? And then I overthink. Well, what if I do that and not, oh no, I can't do that because of this. And then I'm totally overthinking the whole thing. And I got myself all spun up that then I'm totally confused. So I just think it's interesting. And I'm wondering if you guys, are like that you can look at someone else's situation and in total clarity tell them what to do or what direction to go. But with yourself, you got yourself all spun up in knots. And I just wonder why we do that. Why does that happen? But I'm so happy the sun came out and I'm wearing my Oakleys. Because you know what? I'm repping the 80s. Okay? I am trying to keep the 80s alive, people. So can y'all feel me on this? This is important. I tell my kids this. The 80s, this is a very important time in our lives, okay? So, anyway, Julie, what's up, girl? And I hope y'all are having a great day. And let me know what you're doing. Let me know what you think about overcomplicating versus simplifying. I personally am simplifying things. One of my mentors told me recently, he said, why don't you just do live videos? Why are you making it so hard? Why are you trying to do all this other stuff? Just do live videos and talk to people that way. And I was like, oh yeah, good idea. That's a great idea, because I love doing it. And I mean, I engage with a lot of people that way, and I like doing it, and it works for me. So find out what works for you. Do that thing, okay? Pick one or two things that you're good at and just stick with that. That's my advice for the day. That is free advice for the day. Pick one or two things you're good at and just do that. And quit trying to make everything so hard, okay? And let's see, now I'm not driving, so don't worry. There's Joey. What's up, Joey? And guys, why are we trying to make everything so hard? Let's just keep it simple. Bring it down. Let's bring it in, okay? Let's try to focus. And I think we'll all be better off if we do that. We're just, life is hard enough as it is. We don't need to go trying to do 1,100 things. Like I said, pick the one or two. I choose live video because I love it. I love it so much. Someone paid me to do live videos. That's what I do. And I do promotions, and I love doing it. And chances are, if you love doing something, you're probably pretty good at it. So, you know, go with that. Anyway, I'll smile at y'all later. Thanks for tuning in. Love y'all. Have a great day.